Dear students, good morning. I hope you are doing well. We are continuing our discussion on NURS 336, Occupational Health and Community Health Services. We are looking at section 10, which is on care of the elderly, specifically theories of aging. These are your objectives. At the end of the session, you should be able to describe the theories of aging. You should also be able to discuss the importance of knowledge of the theories. And you should be able to discuss the importance of the theories to nursing practice. Specifically in this session, we are looking at the theories of aging. In subsequent sessions, we'll be looking at other aspects of the aging process. But for this session, we are focusing on theories of aging. These are your reference lists or reading lists. Do well to look at them and read the chapters indicated. Theories of aging. There are psychological and physiological theories that explain the process of aging. Bear in mind that we have psychological and physiological theories, all of which explain the process of aging. The psychological theories are as follows. They include the disengagement theory of aging, the activity theory, the developmental or continuity theory of aging, and the 8 stages of life. Does that remind you of something you've studied in psychology? You will see as the session unfolds. We are now looking at the disengagement theory of aging. In this theory, withdrawal is a key concept. Who withdraws from what? That is the interesting question you need to find or ask. Withdrawal is said to be important in the disengagement theory of aging. This theory posits that elderly persons withdraw from roles performed in middle ages and move into self-focused activities. What this means is that people after certain ages do not actively get involved in so many activities. They withdraw. They withdraw from activities they were performing in their middle ages and now get into self-focused activities. Withdrawal could be considered as a protective measure, allowing the elderly to adapt to the changes in old age. What we are saying is that probably the aged withdraw to protect themselves or to adapt to the changes that occur in old age. You will soon see that many changes occur. So they may not be able to cope with things they were doing when they were in their middle ages. So they withdraw into more self-focused activities when they grow older. Interestingly, society in turn withdraws, leading to mutual withdrawal. So the elderly withdraw and society also withdraws. Interesting, isn't it? That goes for the disengagement theory. Withdrawal of the elderly from activities they were doing, and then society also withdraws. Mutual withdrawal. We now look at the activity theory. This theory holds that the continuation of activities during the Middle Ages is necessary for successful aging. In this vein, the active elderly person who engages in social activities continues to enjoy many recreational activities, travels around and keeps busy, and is considered as a model old person. More or less, the elderly person does not stop her activities, be they recreational or social activities. She keeps doing them. So such an elderly person is considered a model old person. We move on to the developmental or continuity theory of aging. the developmental or continuity theory of aging. This theory lies between the disengagement and activity theories, and it postulates that one's traits, habits, and characteristics are maintained into later life without much change. The fourth theory is on the 8 stages of life, postulated by Erickson in 1963. And it is another way of looking at the concept of aging. So what I'm saying is you can also look at the concept of aging using Erickson's 8 stages of life. Students, I want to give you an assignment. Review the 8 stages of life postulated by Erickson and identify how it illuminates the aging process. Remember, you have an assignment. Read about Erickson's 8 stages of life and see how it throws light on the aging process. We have said that there are also physiological theories, and these include the wear and tear theory, the autoimmunity theory, somatic mutation theory, the error theory, the neuroendocrine theory, and the free radical theory. I wouldn't bother you to go into all these theories. Just know that they exist. But you need to know the theories I have discussed previously. I must say that you have to read and familiarize yourself with all these theories, okay? But focus more on the first 3 theories. In summary, students, we need to say that aging is a process. There are some misconceptions that exist about the aging and the elderly. Reviewing the theories we have just looked at, that is the theories of aging, sheds light on the aging process. This review fosters a deeper understanding of the process of aging as well as the characteristics of the aged. Quality care is provided based on knowledge of the process of aging. So it is important that we know the theories associated with the process of aging. Thank you.